Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this amazing one for the basket fans that this brand sent to me for the video. We actually did the assemble with my neighbor because I'm recovering from my hand right here. So my neighbor actually helped me with the assemble. So let's start with the assemble. Actually, he said that he spent kind of like an hour with power tools. So I want to say that probably get an hour of your time, or if you don't have power tools, get probably like 90 minutes of your time, because this is not super hard, but it has some heavy parts that you need to put together. And actually we left this one so you can actually see how you put it on top of it, and you can actually modify the height as well. But let's take a closer look to the parts, and I'm going to show you what you do with the base right here, how you put all the weight and some other good things. And probably we're going to get my neighbor's kid to play a little bit of basket as well. So the easiest way is going to be this, just putting this two junctions together, as you're going to see right here. It's going to take just a minute, just like that. And then there are going to be some bolts that you need to put in place right here. So you have both parts connected. Once in here, you're going to see 3 holes. So you need to just get through the screw from one side to the other. And once you have both sides connected, so with power tools, it's going to be always faster. So the first thing I want to show you is that this one actually comes with wheels. So you can see that it's easy to move if you need. Of course, this one actually doesn't have any weight in this here, like in the base. We're going to put some weight now, but the best thing is going to be to use water. We're going to use water, but if you can add some sand as well, that's the best way for sure. You can also add some pebbles and some gravel, but having water and sand is going to be the best thing for you to do. So we got some help now. We're adding the water, and this one actually goes up to 147 pounds. So that's the max amount of weight that you're going to put in here. So it's going to take a couple minutes, and we're going to fast forward to when this is all done with the weight. But remember, if you can add some water and also some sand, it's going to be the best output. So this one is all set. The first thing that I want to show you is that you have a place to put your basketball right here. So that's actually pretty common in many of these stands, but this one actually comes with. Remember, this one comes with the water, actually has the water now. And the best thing, remember, is to put some sand if you want. But you have a place to put your basketball. Also, another good thing is you can actually modify the height. You have 7.5 feet, 8 feet, 8.5 feet, 9.5. You can lock it at any time you want, at any of these marks you want, you can lock it, or up to the maximum, which is the 10 feet, which is the max height that you can have for this. So just for you to have an idea, I'm 5'10", and this is the 10 feet. This is the maximum amount that you can put. You can see how big this one is and how tall it is, and it's not going to be super flimsy if it is like a windy day or something like that, but I do recommend it to put it in a flat terrain if you can. Here you can take a closer look. We are up in the sky, up to 10 feet. You can see all the stand over here, the acrylic, and of course the net with the metal frame, which you can actually remove the net if you want. And you can see these two shockings for absorption. This is going to be absorbing the impact, so you can actually see that your ball will bounce on the stand if that it's what is going to happen. So then we're going to go to the bottom again. So we just put it at 9.5. If you're going to keep shooting to the basketball, like the hoop there, you can see that this one is a pretty good practice for your kids, for your friends. You can put it on the back of your house, your driveway, you can put it in your patio, many other places, but this is a pretty fun one. Woohoo! So that is right here, so you're gonna be shooting some balls as well. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Wow! Woohoo! Oh my god! The people get crazy, and this is a super fun thing to do. Again, if you're looking for something really good to do outdoors and just have some fun with your friends, family, your kids, your neighbors, or something like that, just get this one. It's a pretty nice one, really good assemble. Remember, just put an hour or 90 minutes with power tools, or get some help if you want, but then this one, super easy to use. Like it, I do recommend a thumbs up. Let's let them play. Thanks for watching. See you soon.